be taking you to Ikea in Burbank, California. This is my first time back at their bistro since they reopened during the pandemic. I'm really curious to see if it's still up to par. Before we continue, I just want to say hi to all the new subscribers. We have gained another 25 members to this community the last month as this video is going out. So I just want to say hi, welcome, and thank you for subscribing to this community. If you are new to this channel, please join this hungry family by clicking the subscription button below and the bell button next to it to get notifications for upcoming videos. Now, back to Ikea. We went for the Swedish meals only on their menu, as you should at Ikea, instead of their fried chicken nuggets, which we can get wherever else in America. First, we started with a plate of gravlax, that is cured salmon, which is a staple dish on a Swedish smorgasbord. This was served with creamy potato salad, greens, and the famous mustard sauce that traditionally goes with gravlax.
Pretty good. It's actually really good cured salmon for being served at a Ikea store.
The greens were crisp and fresh. The potato salad, however, had some undercooked chunks, which was a bit sad, but overall, it was a good dish. I would have it again, actually. Next up, we have the poached salmon with the hollandaise sauce.
There's something in the sauce that tastes like curry. I don't know if that's what they put in there to make it more yellow. I don't know. But it almost tastes like a Scandinavian version of Indian food. And that salmon is cooked pretty well. This is some from a veggie patty. It seems like it could be potatoes, broccoli. It's funny, this reminds me of school cafeteria food in Sweden. It's strange with the curry flavor, but I really like it.
Salmon fillet was $8.99. We were in LA, for crying out loud. Everything is super expensive. A dish for $8 or $6, $7. It's a steal. Last, for our savory dish, you can't go to Ikea not have a meatball plate. It was so much better than it has been in a long time. I've had their meatball dish at their little marketplace during the pandemic while the bistro was closed. They were really skimping on everything. I mean, the portion was small. You'd get like a dollop of lingonberry sauce, just a tiny bit of gravy. That was not the case here. We got a full-on plate. Proportion was perfect. And not only that, they had even garnished the plate with parsley, which I think was a very classy touch.
Yeah, pretty good. They've definitely upped their quality again.
And for dessert, this has over the years actually become a staple dessert in Sweden. You can buy it at most grocery stores there or bake it yourself. It's based off of a beloved chocolate candy called Dime. I haven't had one of these Dime cakes in years, so I was really excited to just indulge in this one. It's milk chocolate with almond brittle bites and then layers of delicate milk chocolate coating, and it has some creamy layers in there as well. I'm not sure what they are, but oh, it's so good. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know. Give me a thumbs up and or let me know in the comment section. If you are not subscribed already, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button so you get notifications for upcoming videos. I've enjoyed talking to you guys today and hope to see you soon.